This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in the city of Richmond. More specifically, I am in Northside, and today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. If this looks familiar, it is because it is. We went through this home not too long ago before it was complete. We had the opportunity to speak to the builder developer, and he is complete today. The home is staged and it looks absolutely beautiful. I promised you that I'd come back once the home was completed, and of course that's what we're going to do here today. If you're interested in new construction is tough to find, especially that's already done in this price point. And I'm a big believer in supporting small business. This is an amazing home. You're going to see that here for yourself momentarily. But before we do that, let's speak with our owner slash developer slash investor, Mr. George Friend. How you doing, sir?
Max, thank you, man. Thank you for coming out again.
We appreciate you taking time to chat with us. Had a couple of questions I wanted to ask. First of all, congratulations on getting to the finish line.
Oh, yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about what the challenges have been on this particular project?
Well, mainly the challenge with a lot of the construction and new construction right now is currently being able to be at a price point to be affordable for everybody. The accelerated cost of new construction has went up probably between 22 to 28% in my price point. So what I try not to do is try not to pass it on to the homeowner, but sometimes I gotta maybe increase the price a little bit to be able to stay competitive and be able to give you everything you need. And then, the city also, just trying to get through the hoops of trying to get inspections and getting all that stuff done and getting the product done in the proper time. So that's basically, some of my challenges. Basically, the inflation of the cost of new construction. Numbers have went up a lot, so that's a challenge also.
Well, yeah, we've heard that actually I've got some buyers that have faced that and possibly will be facing the increase. And some these buyers are under contract, and the builders are coming and saying, hey, we need $15,000, $30,000 additional.
Yeah.
That's one of the benefits of buying something that's already complete. You don't have to worry about that, correct?
Yeah, that is one of the things that's already that's in your favor as far as being a buyer. Unfortunately, on my part, in this particular project, I put a lot of different amenities into the house, and most of all, created the project, made it out of love, basically. So I really put a lot of emphasis on detail. When you go in and you take a look at like the fireplace and going up the staircase and the granite and all that different things, and especially in the bathroom, and most importantly, the shower head.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. You hit it. You hit the nail on the head.
Yeah, the shower head. Now, we got the shower head. We got the shower head that you want.
Thank you.
And I know how important that is. And then I got the vanity lights that show pretty good. So I believe in putting like a upgradable product out to the public.
Okay, very good. So as far as the challenges, you mentioned a little bit about the city, and the people in the business know that working with the city can be a little challenge. What advice would you give? Because somebody from the city may be watching this. If you could give some advice to the city, what would you tell them in order to help you turn around, bring a product like this to the market, and ultimately not only make these neighborhoods nicer, but increase the tax base for the city?
What it is the city is at a point where a lot of people are moving back into the city. So that's excellent. But what they're not seeing is that they don't have, it's not necessarily the people that work at the city. I guess they're trying to do the best they can. It could be more or less upper management. What they need to do is hire more people. They need to hire more technicians, more people to be able to do plan review. A lot of them guys can't do all this plan review by itself. So now if you have a whole total influx as far as people buying properties, you need more people to be able to service them.
Right.
So it just starts from the top, the administrative part, to be able to know, for Bell to go off and say, hey, we need to hire more people and put people in place. Yeah. Now, the other problem they're going to have is training.
Yeah.
So with the training process, too, give them more money.
Yeah.
Money always kind of like soothe the woo. As far as the problem, it kind of helps out a little bit.
Right.
But seriously, though, it's just you need to pay people well.
Yeah.
and try to hire. So I think that would help. That would help the process. And I've talked to a couple of them. They say, okay, yeah, it's hard to get people trained, and then when they get trained, they leave because they're not treated fairly.
Right.
So treat people fairly, man. Treat people like you want to be treated.
Be treated. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Words of wisdom there. We appreciate that. Hopefully somebody from the city is listening.
Please, and let's get it done a little bit quicker.
Yeah.
It takes, man, 6 months for a permit.
Yeah.
Like
Wow.
Right now, I'm looking to build a house next door. I'm looking to build a house. I'm looking to build a house next door, and we're not fireworks.
Fireworks, ladies and gentlemen. Those are fireworks.
Yeah, the kids are probably fireworks.
Oh boy.
But really, we're going over next door here, and we're gonna build that. But the problem is the fact I want to be able to do it, but I don't want to start building in October. So I'm trying to be able to push that through to get that done. And then also have other projects that we have, affordable housing. That's what I'm primarily trying to emphasize my product is being affordable houses to first-time home buyers, because that market is not there at all.
Right.
A lot of time people forget all about first-time home buyers.
Yeah.
You want something just as nice too.
Right.
So
Right.
I know a lot of single mothers, a lot of single parents, and
Right.
everything. They want to have a good product also. And
Absolutely.
serve, okay?
Absolutely.
So, Max, I think you probably can take the tour.
Okay.
And,
Okay.
and finish up what you got going on. And when you seen last time, hopefully y'all be impressed.
Yes.
And thank you for everybody for coming out, looking and seeing what's going on. And thank you people for the fireworks.
Yes. Thank you, George. We
All right.
appreciate you, man.
Take care, man.
Take care. All right. Well, let's go on in and take a look here. I want to give you a shot here from the front porch. This is nice. This is urban life right here. You got the front porch where you can put some rocking chairs out, and you don't get this in a whole lot of new construction in this price point. So you got a nice quiet side street here. Once again, those were fireworks that were down the street. We've got 4th of July that's coming up not too much longer, and somebody's obviously practicing. I love the fact that he came in with the stone front. This is a really nice touch. These are features that a builder is typically going to hit you up for as an upgrade. So these features are really nice to have here on a home that is affordable and ready to go. All right, let's go on in and take a look here. This home is beautifully staged, so it just shows absolutely beautifully. Here we've got the beautiful front, got the nice wide open family room area with nice high ceilings. We also have recessed lights, of course our stairs going up, and a coat closet right here. Here's a couple little trim finishes that still need to be done. So if you see a register that's missing or a light switch cover that's missing, that's why. So we're 99.5% done. There, of course, is our electronic fireplace that he mentioned earlier. Really nice touch. Of course, your dinette. Here to the left is going to be some understair storage right there, and it's full. There is an electric water heater there. We also have our powder room. Really good look. I love this gray and white. Everything is new and clean. This closet here is going to be our heat pump. So of course you get new mechanicals here with new construction and a nice open space. He opted to go in with a island there. We've got a couple of stools, but plenty of cabinet space, plenty of counter space. You've got a second informal space here with additional 4 stools. So that's kind of unusual to have 2 places where you can actually sit at the counter. This is a great floor plan for entertaining. Of course, our door going out the back. Now, what he told me here was that his plan was to figure out what the new buyer wanted to do, and he can either come in with a porch or with a deck. And that would, of course, go right here. Could be built to order. All right, it is wired back there for 2-zone heating and air, so you can independently control upstairs and downstairs, and that's the way we typically see this floor plan being conditioned. All right, I love the 42-inch cabinets. We've got a beautiful commercial style double bowl sink here, nice and deep. I love the contrasting black. There is a space right here for your electric range. We've got the Beautiful range hood there in black. Just a really well done layout. All right, we're gonna go on upstairs and take a look up there at the second level. July 11th is when the Best Realtor in Richmond contest kicks off. I have been nominated. I'm one of the top 5. I've made it through that round thanks to your help. So we're gonna have the vote by text capability this year. You're allowed to vote daily. So I'm gonna probably come on with some tidbits, some short videos on a more frequent basis once we get to the 11th. And they're not gonna be full-blown walkthrough videos, but little tidbits I'm gonna drop and hopefully remind you to please support me and vote. I'm thankful last year I came as first runner-up, which is also known as second place, but I'm a little salty that I didn't get the top slot. And let's see if we can go ahead and secure that here this time with your help. All right, this is going to be the most conservative of the 3 bedrooms. This is on the front of the house. This would make a great office or child's room. Got a ceiling fan in here. This is going to be bedroom number 2. This one is considerably larger. Nice long rectangular room. Once again with the ceiling fan, plenty of light there at the front. And we've got a deep closet. This one actually is deep and probably a good 4 feet or so wide. I love this room. There's so many options. You've got that huge, 2 huge walls that could be very nice bed walls. Look at this detail. He took special effort to come in with this detail here. Just a really neat look. To my right is going to be our hall bath. And it's no ordinary hall bath with a fiberglass tub shower. He came in with the tile, did a nice little inlay here for your products. Of course, we've got an upgraded shower head here in this one. It's a really good look. We've got some armrests there in the tub as well. It's a great place to sit and soak and relax. And a nice white vanity and vanity top. All right, let's transition now to our laundry. We have a laundry room that's right here that's dedicated. We've got some shelving there, cabinetry, and also a bar here. This is unique. We don't typically see builders do something like that, but imagine if you had to air dry something that was delicate. You didn't want to put it in the dryer. You got space right here in the laundry room to do that. Your wash and dryer, of course, goes right there. All right, let's go back here to the right. And this is going to be our primary bedroom here at the top of the stairs. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. That is a king, I believe, that's in place. That may be, actually that's a queen. That's a queen that's in place, but you got plenty of space here in this gorgeous bedroom. Let me show you the closet, which is right here. Notice there's enough space for a little sitting area here to my right. And we've got a nice deep closet. Let's see, we've got a light switch here somewhere. There it is. Well, maybe there's no bulb in it, but this is a good sized closet. Walk in and give you a shot here from this opposite side. We've got good natural light that flows in. This was the sitting area I was talking about here. So you've got enough space here in this bedroom to not only have your bed, but also some additional space to work with if you wanted to just sit and relax. All right, here we go. This is going to be our primary bath that we're going into now. We've got a gorgeous double vanity. Now, these are really neat. This is powered individually. These mirrors have electricity on them, and that creates an absolutely gorgeous light. If you're applying makeup, this is a really nice what we call ring light, and it gives you a very good bright light with minimal shadows. And if you notice, if you go to the salon to get makeup done or even hair, a lot of beauty professionals use that ring light technology. Look at this gorgeous tile work here in this shower. This is nice. We've got some custom work there, and then all the way down to the floor we even have a stone look on the floor that is contrasting and matches everything else here in this beautiful shower. And of course he came in with Delta shower head technology. Very well done. I'm impressed. I am proud to come and share George's project with you. I'm a big supporter of people that are out here making things happen and definitely turning around a nice project that's going to impact the neighborhoods, going to impact the tax base, and be a fabulous place for a new owner to live. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It'd be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd be so kind. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.